Alright, this is the Saab channel, and I'm out here at the Junkyard today doing a little pick. And it's been a pretty good day. I found a nice set of ice blocks. But the one thing that I wanted to share with you guys is what I think to be the holy grail. Check this out. We have a 9.5 Aero. See? It is the Aero spec. But if we come around to the interior, look at this. This, to me, I've been looking for so long for this. These are the upgraded bolstered seats in pretty good condition. See that side bolster? Looks like there's been a little critter here, but nothing that can't be cleaned up. The Aero bolstered black ventilated seats. To me, this is just, I have to find someone to help me get these out, and have to come back with a battery and some other things I wasn't prepared for today. But yeah, I was just here at the Junkyard, and that steering wheel is pretty nice too. Very rarely do I get this lucky. I was gonna take this dash here for my red 9.5, but unfortunately someone ripped it there. Let's see, that's again dirty, but that's in good shape too. I don't know, I'm gonna have to come back to this car. I'm definitely, ooh. Let's see how the passenger seat one is. It looks like someone tried to get these already. They've been messing with the seat. They already came in here once. I wonder if I have some local competition. I'm sure I do. You know, even the back seat. You know, this would be one of those cars, if you had the time, you would just take apart the whole interior and all the door cards. Like, see, they got that nice extra stitch there on these newer Aeros. Just shame the dash isn't better. I'm probably going to come back for the wheel. There's something else I wanted to show you guys too, and let me know your thoughts on this. Oh, those are in good shape. Oh yeah, I have to come back for those. But check this out, guys. I want to know your opinion here. I have never seen this kind of steering wheel. And that is in great shape too. I mean, it's a different colored kind of wood. It kind of matches the whole interior of the car. I don't know if this is a rare item or not, or if it's worth grabbing, but let me know your thoughts. My only concern with grabbing it is I'd probably have to grab all these similar colored wood trim like pieces, because that steering wheel, look at that. That's a good looking wheel. Darn, that was one of the 0405 Aeros. Smoker's car. This one's nasty. Damn. It's another Aero dash we could have salvaged. Maybe. I don't know. I personally don't take things from smokers' cars. I've had in the past, but you can just spend forever trying to clean these up, and yeah, these seats have seen better days. Shame. I appreciate it. Yeah, if we could pull these off, that might be... It's just always a matter of if they're worth saving or not, you know? Like, these look kind of bent and shit.
Which way you turn? Which way they coming out there? They going
lefty, let's see.
Is they going down?
Yeah, I'd be going down.
Are they coming up?
Down.
Going down.
Yeah.
Going this way?
Yep. See how the other ones are. Man. Alright, we just went with the ice blocks for right now. That nice gentleman held the brakes for me so I could break all those Klingon wheels loose, because it'd be nice to get some period correct wheels for this guy. But they want like $300 for them. That seems like a lot for a pair of beat up Klingons. So we'll stick with this for now. I'll still call it a pretty good day. Got to have fun out and away from people, practicing our social distancing. I don't know if people just aren't going out, or for whatever reason. This Junkyard had all kinds of good little finds, including that steering wheel, those Aero seats. So it's been a good day. If you have a local Junkyard, I'd highly encourage you to go. I was also able to get a piece here for another guy in the Saab community and mail that to him. But, you know, without there being dealerships anymore, we all got to kind of see what we can find and help each other out. I'm probably just going to end up selling these and use the money to put more money into this car. So it's a never-ending carousel of Saab parts and things changing hands. But that's what we all do for each other. So I hope that video was fun to watch, and thank you guys. Until next time.